Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a second to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to the channel because we just went over 3,000 subscribers and I am super excited to have reached that number. I just want to say thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel, watched the videos, filled out credit card recommendation forms, used the link to support the channel. Really, each and every one of you who supported the channel anyway, thank you so much. And I really do appreciate the support because this channel has grown more than what I ever really thought it would, and it makes me excited for the future of what holds for this channel. One thing I did want to talk about though is I'm going to be changing the format of the award booking demonstrations. Now, I typically do these once a month and I go through a couple of examples for people and walk you step by step. Now, I'm still going to be doing step-by-step walkthroughs, but instead of a live demonstration once a month, I'm going to actually change this to be a 2 times a month series for the time being. Now, if I get more requests, I'll increase this, but right now the data shows that most people are watching probably just the first example, which I totally can understand. I have a hard enough time watching myself editing my own videos, so I'm sure it's hard enough for you to just listen to me blabber on for 45 minutes. So what I'm actually going to start doing is 2 polished videos a month, either are released on a Wednesday or Thursday. I haven't quite decided yet. And, you know, if I keep getting more requests, I'll increase this. I would love to increase this to a weekly series where I walk through demonstrations for people. And if you want to request a booking, I'm going to actually take them in my Facebook group and as well as the community tab of the channel. So if you do have an example you're looking for, I really would recommend joining my Facebook group because that's where I do a lot of talking with people in the group, as well as I take a lot of requests from there. So like I said, I think it's going to be a great change for the format because I think most of you will get more out of this. It'll be a more polished video as well. And you know, I just think it's going to be an overall better experience for you in general because they do take a lot of time to do. I really do enjoy them and I want to keep them going, but I'm making sure it's in a way that you're viewing them in a way that is advantageous for all. So I want to thank you all again for the support. I'm super excited to hit finally 3,000 subscribers. I'm excited to see how long it takes to get to 4,000 subscribers and beyond. But as always, safe travels and take care, everyone.